So we need to mount the landing gear first, because we cannot access the screws anymore. So that's something we need to do. So you have this here and the arms. So those 4 holes are used for mounting the gear. And move it forward a bit, then I can use this hole here for a zip tie. I prefer using zip ties always over just using double-sided tape, because you never know, to all the vibration. And what we can do now is mounting the top plate. And you see here this arrow that should point towards the front. Put all the cables through. We can put this into position.